Miami Beach is known for its vibrant architecture, stunning coastal views, and homes with distinctive personality. Whether you live in a sleek modern residence or a classic coastal property, every homeowner understands the importance of curb appeal, especially in a desirable beachside community where first impressions matter. One upgrade that offers both beauty and value is the addition of bay windows. These elegant, outward-extending windows not only elevate your home's exterior look but also enhance its interior comfort, appeal, and marketability. Here's how bay windows improve curb appeal and property value in Miami Beach homes. A striking architectural feature that stands out: bay windows instantly add dimension and visual interest to your home's exterior. Unlike flat windows, bay windows extend outward, creating bold lines and a more dynamic facade. In a neighborhood where style and design matter, these windows help your property stand out among others. Miami Beach homeowners love bay windows because they add depth and personality to the exterior, highlight architectural style, enhance modern or coastal aesthetics, make the home look larger and more upscale. Whether your home embraces Mediterranean, Art Deco, contemporary, or traditional coastal design, bay windows blend beautifully and create an eye-catching focal point. Increased natural light that makes interiors more inviting. Bay windows are known for their expansive glass panels that draw in abundant natural light. Miami Beach enjoys sunshine nearly year-round, and bay windows help harness that natural brightness to illuminate your interior spaces. This creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere, larger looking, more open rooms, brighter living areas, perfect for entertaining enhanced views of the outdoors. Bright, sun-filled rooms are highly desirable in Miami Beach homes, and buyers immediately notice and appreciate the difference that bay windows make. Panoramic coastal views worth every penny. Miami Beach offers some of the most beautiful scenery in Florida, from ocean views and palm trees to waterways and vibrant streetscapes. Bay windows maximize viewing angles, allowing you to appreciate these surroundings from multiple perspectives. With their curved design, bay windows create a wider, panoramic view, more connection to outdoor beauty, a calmer, coastal atmosphere indoors. Homes with exceptional views naturally command higher property values, and bay windows help make the most of the scenery you already have. Added interior space and functionality. Beyond enhancing your home's exterior, bay windows add usable interior space. The outward projection creates a charming nook inside that can be used in various ways, such as window seating, a reading corner, a breakfast or coffee space, decorative shelving, indoor plants that thrive in bright light. This extra interior dimension adds comfort and luxury, making your home feel larger and more thoughtfully designed. Key features that add resale value. Higher property value through desirable home upgrades. Modern homebuyers in Miami Beach look for features that improve aesthetics, energy efficiency, and coastal living comfort. Bay windows check all three boxes. They can directly increase property value because they add architectural character. Buyers seek improved natural lighting and interior ambiance, enhance curb appeal, and show well in listings. Highlight views, which greatly boosts home desirability, suggest a well-maintained, upgraded property. For homeowners thinking about selling in the future, bay windows are a strategic upgrade that improves both appeal and return on investment. Great compatibility with energy-efficient features. Miami Beach homeowners value comfort and cooling efficiency. Today's bay windows can be installed with energy-efficient glass options like low-E coatings, tinted panes, and insulated frames. These features help reduce heat gain from strong sunlight, lower cooling costs, improve indoor temperature comfort, protect furniture from fading. A more energy-efficient home is not only comfortable but also more valuable in a warm, coastal climate. A beautiful upgrade for Miami Beach homes. Bay windows offer the ideal combination of style, functionality, and added property value, making them one of the smartest enhancements you can add to your Miami Beach home. From boosting curb appeal to improving natural light and maximizing coastal views, bay windows help your home look better, feel better, and sell better. If you're ready to elevate your property with a stunning architectural feature that enhances both beauty and value, bay windows are a perfect choice for Miami Beach living.